Hey Level Grove. Over the past couple of weeks, you've been asking us a few questions, and one of the main ones that you've been asking is how do I start with online giving? Now, some of you may already use online giving, and that's fantastic. But for those of you who do not know how to start, or if you just want to get started with us with online giving, I want to show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. So once you get to your computer, you're going to go to your internet browser. Once you do that, you're going to go to our church's website, which is levelgrove.org. Once you do that, it's going to bring you directly to our website, and the giving page is right here in the top right corner of your screen. Now, if it's not there, it may look similar to this. There are three little buttons here. All you have to do is press that. Go right here, and there's a little give button right here. Once you click that, it's going to bring you to our giving tab on our website. And scroll just a little bit down, and right underneath the website, the Bible verse, it says Give Online. Once you click that, it's going to take you directly to our giving page. Now, a lot of our ministries here at Level Grove are listed right here on our page. But if you just want to do your general offering or your tithing or anything like that, that's going to be located right here at the very top. Now you're going to put in however much amount that you need to put in. I'm just going to say $50 for now. You don't have to log in. If you do not have a login on here, it's going to give you the chance to do so right before you check out, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. So once you put in this, you can put in if you need to pay for a mission meal, or if you want to donate to our Glorify campaign, or anything like that. We'll have all of our events that need payment right here. But once you have everything that you need to put in, you can go to your donation frequency. You can choose one time if you want to just choose one time only. If you want to make it a weekly tithe, you can do that. You can do bi-weekly, monthly, semi-monthly. All those choices you can choose from. I'm going to choose one time. Donation start date, if you want to start that today, you choose the current date. For me today, it's the 30th of March, so I would choose that. But you can choose this little calendar right here, and it gives you any day that you can start on. So if you want to start in May, you can start in May, if you want to start there. If you want to start in April, you can click any one of these days right here. Or if you just want to start today, you can click the day for the day. If you choose weekly or bi-weekly or any of these other options, if you want to start today, you can also choose an optional end date. If you want to do it for a year, you can do it for a year. And you can start that way and just choose the date that you want to end. But once you're done and once you're ready to go to your next page, you can click continue. And it's going to bring you to the generic information. So you have your first name. I'm going to put Avery. Last name. You'll put your last name. Your address. The city. And your zip code. A telephone number, it's not required, but if you would like to do so, you can. And then email address, also it's not required, but it's optional. Once you do that, you have your chance to put in your credit card, or you can put it in a checking account or a savings account. If you go with a credit card, what you do is you would put in your credit card number, the card verification value, which is on the back of your credit card, the expiration date, and the name of the card holder that's on your card. Once you do that, you have the billing address for that card, your city, your state, your zip code, everything right there. If you'd like to go to your checking account, you can do a checking account and you can put in the routing number, account number, And that's all you have to do for their checks. Savings account is the exact same way. You can put in the routing number and your account number. Once you do that, you can select a password if you'd like to start a profile on here. If you want to start continuing to give online, you can start your profile this way. So you can select a password. You can type in your password here. And it's going to ask you to re-enter your password just to make sure that everything's nice and secure. Once you do that, you click I am not a robot. I hope you're not a robot. And then you click process. Once you do that, it's going to process your information. As long as everything checks out, it'll start your online giving that easily. And it's just that easy. Now, if you do not have a computer, but you have a smartphone, I'm going to show you the exact same way on how to do that. So once you get to your phone, you're going to go to your internet browser. You're going to go to our website, which once again is levelgrove.org. And it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, like I said, all you have to do is click these 3 bars right here. Click Give. It's going to bring you to our giving page. Scroll down just a little bit and you're going to click Give Online. And once again, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, it has all of our ministries on there, but if you want to just do a general offering or tithe, you're going to click this one right here. You're going to enter in however much you want to give. And then once again, if you want to go through all these, you can donate to more than one thing at one time. But for now, we're just going to stick to our general offering. The donation, you can do it once again from your checking, your savings, or a credit or debit card. You can choose your frequency. So you have one time, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, semi-monthly. I'm going to go with weekly this time. Your start date. You can punch in the date that you want to start on. And then your end date, it's optional, but you don't have to put an end date, but it is optional. Click next to continue, so we'll click next. It's going to bring you to all this donation information, so you'll click first name, last name, your address, your city, your state, your zip code, your phone number, your email address, all that, and then you put in your card number. So once you put in your card number, your expiration month, the expiration year, all of that. If you want to help to offset the processing fee, you can click this button right here. It's up to you. And then you can fill out your billing information as well. If you'd like to start your profile on here, you can do that right here where you can enter your password. And then I'll ask you to confirm it. So you just do the same thing. Once you do that, you hit next. And it'll process your information. As soon as you put all that in, it'll process everything and should give you a confirmation later. Now, if you have any questions with anything, feel free to email us at office@levelgrove.com, or you can call us at 706-778-6371. Thank you.